Welcome to Goodbye Gluten. I'm Greg.
I'm Corrine.
Welcome to Goodbye Gluten with Greg and Corrine, your hosts.
So please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel. So today we're doing a product review. I picked up these little rice box at the grocery outlet. So this is a discount food store. A lot of times it's seasonal, like cereals, things like that, that are in overstock. So if you have one near you, check it out. These were $2.99 each, so a really good price. What I like about them is these are single serving, it's all dry ingredients, and there's two simple ways to do it. So I was really thinking of these for travel. You can do these in the microwave for 90 seconds, or you can use boiling water for about 7 minutes. And we're going to do the 7-minute boiling water method. I got a Thai red curry and a chicken and mushrooms. So let's get started on these.
I'm telling you, I'm kind of excited about these because we've never had these products before. Thai red curry. I like that.
Okay. All right, so making these, we're going to open it. Interesting to see what these look like inside.
Oh, there's a season packet.
There's a separate seasoning packet. We've just got plain white rice on this one. Rice. So what we're going to do is add boiling water, stir, and then add the seasoning.
No, you're supposed to add the seasoning packet, then add the water. See, seasoning packet.
Ah. Too many directions.
Very simple directions, although my son did bring up a valid point. Why is this rice in a box when it's more of rice in a bag? Because, oh, and then you squish it like that to open it up more.
All right, there's a line inside that you
Where's
fill
the line?
water to.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So there's...
I don't know if you can actually see that, folks. There's a little line right there, down there. About halfway through the bag. I mean, it smells pretty good.
Oops.
Oops, a little more over than that.
Okay, and then you cover and let them sit for 7 minutes.
Wait, you're supposed to stir. That way the spices get mixed in.
I know, but what if you don't want the spices in there?
And you shouldn't have bought that.
All right, we'll be back in 7 minutes. All right, it's been 7 minutes. Let's see. Ooh, that actually looks pretty good.
So let's try the...
Chicken and mushroom.
Chicken and mushroom.
That's not bad.
Not bad, but it's like, I don't know if it was, but we should have actually nuked it. Would have been better than this part. Because it almost seems like the rice is just a hair undercooked on my point.
It is definitely an al dente. Still good. I like the flavors.
I don't taste any chicken or mushroom. It's just a myriad of little bit of spices and carrots is what I'm tasting in that more than anything.
This would go really well with like some leftover chicken or grilled chicken. Okay, let's go for the Thai red curry.
That one would be good if you are going on now for the
red
curry one. Smells good.
Well, that is spicy for me. I definitely get the heat. I don't get a lot of flavor, but...
1 out of 10 heat-wise.
My taste buds, it's like a 9.
For me, a 1.
Yeah, it's probably legitimately, if you were going by standard Thai restaurant, about a 2. Really,
yeah, it's under a jalapeno easy.
I'm super sensitive, so...
but there's not any real... Like, because used to when I'm eating seasoned fried rices or anything like that, there's a little bit of salt, a little bit of like pepper, stuff like that in there, and I don't really taste the actual curry in here.
No, all I got was heat. I didn't get any like other flavors at all. This one I got other flavors.
I got a lot of carrot in this one, and that's what I'm thinking is the overlying flavor in these is, to my taste buds, is carrot is the main oomph of over anything, because carrot can actually override a lot of flavor.
Yeah, but I don't get carrot in either one. So
Really?
there you have it. I definitely think I would buy these again, look for other flavors, because again, I really think these would be good for travel.
Okay, what are you going to rate these as?
This
what are you going to
one,
rate this one?
I would give this one like a 7 out of 10. Throw in some chopped chicken, maybe a splash of chicken broth. Use chicken broth instead of water. That would be really good.
Oh, yeah. If you do like chop up some chicken really fine and then do this and then toss it in there and stir it in, that'd be good.
That would be really good. That one I'll give it a 3. The texture is really good. The rice itself has a good chew. I just don't care for the flavor.
I'm going to give this one an 8 out of 10. Because, I mean, even though I'd rather have a little bit more curry flavor and then the heat, and a little bit more salt in there, but this is still really good. This would be good with, like, chopped up fish, chopped up steak, maybe chopped up chicken or pork, you know, or even just add in a little bit more vegetables to your liking. But overall, I think these would be good travel foods.
I do too, yeah. Especially if you're in a hotel, or maybe if you're taking a trip and you're going to be in a hotel for a while, you're not sure of food in your area, these would be really good to toss in your suitcase. They could go in your carry-on because there's no liquids included. So.
And they do say gluten-free on them.
Yes, they do.
See? Right there.
Yep.
So thank you very much for watching our channel. I hope you guys learned a bit. I hope you guys will try these out. Just don't take our word for them.
Yep. Give them a try. It's always interesting to try things, and that's one of the things about travel and going gluten-free is you get to try new things.
And remember what we always say here at Goodbye Gluten. Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste. You have a great day.